Look at you. Hi, handsome. Hi, baby. Hi. I just think, looking back on this, we're gonna look on this back on this like 5 years from now, 2 years from now, even, and we're gonna be like, you have no idea the amazing life you're gonna have. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. What a lucky kid. I love you. Look at you jump jump. Yeah. See, I love jump jump. Yeah. Yeah. So basically, the concept is two long boards, two short boards, or three short boards. Basically, the same thing as the front of the what's it called? The couch bed. Whew. It's been a bit. I'm tired today. Dylan let me sleep in. Thank God he let me sleep in. But I knew I really wanted to get this project done, so here we are. I'm pretty sure that'll work. Well, that'll do, George. That'll do. What's this another? Alright, so basically chop these to the length that I need. And then I'm going to use the boards from the couch bed that I left over, my scrap pieces. And I'm going to pocket hole everything in place and go from there. Ready? Do this. Alan. It's so cold today you can see your breath. That's how cold it is. It's a bit nuts how cold it truly is. Okay, so basically I need the width to be 16 between this panel and this panel. Alright, so basically I want 16 inches between this outer side and this outer side. So I just go like this. Handy dandy. 16, that's where it lays. I need 10 and 3/4. Now this board right here is not the same thickness all the way down through. It's part of our countertop. It's part of our countertop, and it doesn't, it's not completely even. Let's put it that way. But it's thick enough as this one, and it's long enough to match this one. Repurpose, reuse. That's what we do. So I sanded a part of the mirror. The nail polish is gross, and it's ruined the, it's actually ruined the wood, basically. It does not look good underneath there. So I'm going to, and not only that, but it's like, it's, some parts are thick and some parts are not. So I am going to just bite the bullet, and I'm going to basically spray paint the cabinet, or the door, the mirror. Shoo-lee. I think I might though. I think I might use one of the colors, either the color from the wall. I could use the color from the wall, or I could use the color from the pink from down there. I think I would use that. That'd be pretty. The pink from, it's like, it's a mauve. I'm not a pink person, even though I totally am wearing pink today. I'm not a pink person, and I look good in pink. Everybody tells me so, but I don't see it. I'm just not like a girly girl by any means, so I tend to stay away from pink. But I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Let's ask your opinion. Ready? Should I, instead of painting this like a brushed bronze gold, like with spray paint, should I paint this the color of the cabinets, or should I paint it the pink down there, or should I paint the wall color? The green? Alright. Okay. If it looks bad, it's all Dylan's fault. Whatever woman one day steals our oldest from us and becomes part of this family, she best love me too. Because I walked in there to check on them. I mean, they're totally monitored anyway, but still, I went in and just talked to them a second. Finley's watching TV. What's Lincoln doing? What do you think Lincoln's doing? Cleaning the house, he says. I'm cleaning the whole house for you, Mom. God help whichever girl decides that she must have him, because I'm telling you right now, she better love me too. She can't take him away. I'm telling you right now, with 5 people in here and a small heater running, we're gonna die of heat. Because this isn't even fully done yet, and just this little heater right here is giving off enough, with just 2 of us in here, giving off enough heat that it's actually comfortable. Am I wrong? It's pretty freaking nice. No, you don't know what screws are.
You said nails.
I did not. I said screws.
You said nails.
I said screws. I said a box of screws.
No, we'll move back.
Whoa. I said screws.
It's nails. You said nails.
Hold on. Let me finish this thought first. what I'm doing though?
Open the door.
Basically, I'm building a door and then I'm gonna attach the mirror to it. Well, bam! Well, that's nice. So this will be this side. I'm gonna prep this. I have to put these on first. Prep this and then do another layer of paint. Then attach this. Attach that to this. Try to stain that first. Let's do that first. Basically, I'm going to be taking and just putting them on before I put them on there because they're kind of funky. And they're going to be easier to attach to the door when it's open and on them than when it's not. Fancy. Fancy. Sometimes I astound myself. You know?
Here we go.
Look at it! Tell me that's not gonna freaking work awesome. Simple. So freaking simple.
It's gonna work good.
I feel like that was a bit much. For no reason.
I didn't do it right.
Right? I did! Shoved her in there, my God. Boom. And then this clicks, pops out. Come on now.
But now.
Put that in there.
Beautiful.
Too big!
Perfect. It's not.
Gonna fly out of the damn thing. So when it is too big, you listen to me next time. Come on, just like
Why
your.
is your hole so freaking?
That's what you
Oh.
gave me. My hole's off. That hole is not off. Don't look at me like that. Oily. Ah,
My holes are perfect.
are they?
I know.
Your holes are not going to be seen in the wall.
It's perfect.
Yeah, perfect.
Holes fit straight down to that. Perfect.
Perfect. Oh, perfect. Rude.
Go down through the floor.
Basically, I cut a hole out of the cabinet, like just a chunk of it, because if I did it over farther to the left, it would impede the mirror and I wouldn't be able to cover the holes. I wouldn't be able to make it fit, basically. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this. It's going to go in here just like it was. notched out right here. It's not much. And it's not structural or anything like that. So I needed a notch here so that way I wouldn't have to use the metal piece that comes with it. It'll actually attach into it, and then this actually closes. Because if I went too far this way, I wouldn't be able to put the mirror where I want it. It wouldn't be even. But if I went too far that way, it would not be in the board. It wouldn't work. So this is the next day. I know, it's pretty warm in there. We got the heater on because it's so cold out here. Dylan was able to get the water done. I'll show you. Got everything all lined up, all plumbed out. Got all that done. It's all the way up to the top. And then we have to put the go board on and all of that. But I'm not doing, set that as a, we're just not doing any of it until we are able to test it, which we have to get a hot water heater and put the tanks on the bottom of the thing. But other than that, everything else is good. We're good. This is now ready to be done. Our door. I have it done. I just couldn't get the door on, or the mirror on, because it was too wet. And now that it's not wet, we can put it on. Gotta love Sunday projects. Right, Link? Dylan decided green would be better. He's not wrong. Ow. That was bright. Oh, light shining on my eyeballs. From the mirror. So I painted it green to match the cabinets. I did 2 coats, but it was so cold out here, it did not want to dry properly. So I left it overnight to dry. It sure worked. Now she's pretty.
One, two, one, two, one, two, one, two, one, two. I didn't get it.
So that's all off. The little pieces. Score. Okay. Ready? I know. We'll get that off with the knife because I gotta scrape all the rest of it off anyway.
Wait, it's supposed to go in there?
It's gonna go right here.
Oh!
Did you think I was nuts? Did you think I was crazy?
No.
I'm gonna use little screws to put it on, and then I'm going to use the brad nailer all the way around it so it holds. But as of right now, I want to put it on there so that way I kind of know how it's gonna look and if it's gonna be the perfect spot. Then I also have to add a piece at the bottom. I'll show you. I have to add a little piece down here at the bottom because it is a little bit too short. So I knew that was going to happen. I just didn't know how big of a piece it was going to be. So I have another one that I can use in there, and that's what I'm going to do. It's not there yet. in theory, this should be perfect and work just right. Like that. Link it.
Wait, how did you do that? How's it on there?
Screws up top. Now we just have to put this piece on, and then we'll brad nail it all the way around.
Oh. But in the meantime, you just take it off.
Yes.
Where's the room stored?
Huh?
Over here?
No, that's gonna be the door. Look. Closet. We can put all of our map. We can build a map in the back of this. We can put pictures back here, stickers, places we've been. And then you close it. Wow. Ha. What are you doing?
I want to figure out cool it.
You want to figure out what's happening? That part that you've got down there, that bolt, is going to bolt to the ground up underneath. And then that's the belt that's going to come up, and then there's another one on the other side that's going to come around and go around you. There's going to be either 3 or 4 belts that go across this. I'm thinking probably 4, just in case Taylor comes with us.
Yeah.
Because you know she'll probably come out and see us every now and then.
Yeah.
That's exciting. Now, the other thing that we did get is our other knobs for our pulls, I should say, for the upper cabinets, lower cabinets. We don't know yet if we're going to do another upper cabinet. I think we're going to, but I don't know yet. The one thing I do know is that we're going to build a shelf above the big window behind the sink. I just don't know, and it's going to go all the way across. I just don't know. I don't know. That's going to be for like canned goods and all that kind of stuff. So it's up and out of the way. But I don't know if I want to do another cabinet. And then if I do, I'm going to have to order more poles. But I also have to get the sink cabinet and build the cabinet for underneath the oven. So I haven't done that yet. It's a lot. I found a way that I like it, which is like this, which I like that.
That, this, that.
What is it? Is the best thing we ever built? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Well, I would say probably yes.
That's really cool.
Just think of all the cool things we're gonna do.
So nice.
It is nice. I agree. When you pick it up and move it, it turns off. So if it falls over or something, it turns off. But I gotta build a curtain. I have to sew a curtain. It's gonna go across the cab entrance. I'll do a blackout curtain, but I don't want like a dark color or anything like that on this side. So I'm gonna do like a dual thing. And then I have to do the curtains for both of the windows on either side. And if I don't do another cabinet on this wall, let's do it this way. If I don't do another cabinet on this wall, I'm going to build out shelving that's like a corner shelf for right here. So that way we can put our projector on there, because in general, over here, there's going to be a projector screen, portable projector screen right here. We're going to be able to watch movies and stuff on that while we're laying on our bed all together, which is 99% of the time what we do. That is our cuddle snuggle time.
Okay.
I think I'm going to have Dylan put the knobs on so I can get a gist of it. But I do have to buy the sink cabinet. Oh, the other thing that... What are you doing? You're such a turd. The other thing that I did pick up is the tile for on the floor. It's gonna be like a light gray penny tile. And then I have a Carrera marble thin tile that are big that are gonna go up the sides, the two sides. And then I'll be able to install a curtain that's like an L-shaped curtain.
I made
And then we're all good. Then the shower's done.
I made all beds.